नमः। वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। अथ श्री गणपत्यथर्वशीर्षम्। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः शिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ॐ तन्मा अवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अवभक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्ताद् अवपुरस्ताद् अवोत्तरात्ताद् अवदक्षिणात्ताद् अवचोर्ध्वात्ताद् अवाधरात्ताद् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्ताद्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वमवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यम् त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वमिन्द्रस्त्वमग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरोम्। पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम् नादः सन्धानम् संहितासन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निःसृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणम् रदं जवरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्तेस्तु लम्बोदरायैकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमः। एतदथर्वशीर्षं योधीते स ब्रह्मभूयाय कल्पते स सर्वतः सुखमेधते स सर्वविघ्नैर्न बाध्यते स पञ्चमहापापात् प्रमुच्यते सायं धीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयति प्रातर्धीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयति सायं प्रातः प्रयुञ्जानो अपापो भवति सर्वत्रा आधीयानो अपविघ्नो भवति धर्मार्थकाममोक्षं च विन्दति इदमथर्वशीर्षमशिष्याय न देयं यो यदि मोहाद्दास्यति स पापीयान् भवति सहस्रावर्तनाद् यय्यं काममधीरे तं तमनेन साधयेत् अनेन गणपतिमभिषिञ्चति स वाग्मी भवति चतुर्थ्यामनश्नं जपति स विद्यावान् भवति इत्यथर्वणवाक्यं ब्रह्माद्याचरणं विद्याद् न बिभेति कदाचनेति यो दूर्वाङ्कुर्यैर्यजति स वैश्रवणोपमो भवति यो लाजैर्यजति स यशोवान् भवति स मेधावान् भवति यो मोदकसहस्रेण यजति स वाञ्छितफलमवाप्नोति यः साच्च समिद्धिर्यजति स सर्वं लभते स सर्वं लभते अष्टौ ब्राह्मणान् सम्यग्राजयित्वा सूर्यवर्चस्वी भवति सूर्यग्रहे महानद्यां प्रतिमासन्निधौ वा जपत्वा सिद्धमन्त्रो भवति महाविघ्नात् प्रमुच्यते महादोषात् प्रमुच्यते महापापात् प्रमुच्यते स सर्वविद् भवति स सर्वविद् भवति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषद। सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ॐ तन्माऽवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्री गणेशाय नमः। I bow with devotion to Lord Ganesh, who is the deity of association of spiritual persons. Vakratunda Mahakaya. O Lord Ganesh, you with twisted mouth and huge form, Koti Surya Samaprabha, with brightness of millions of suns, Nirvignam kuru me deva, please make me free of obstacles. Sarvakaryeshu sarvada, in all my undertakings, all the time. ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। O gods, may we, the ones who are praying to you or worshipping you, get to hear good with ears and get to see good with eyes. स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। May we get to spend our God-given current life with sound limbs and satisfied bodies. Om swasti na indro vruddhashravaha. May the king of demigods, Indra, whose praise we heard from our elders or the seers, bless us. Swasti nah pusha vishvavedaha. The sun, who knows the entire universe, bless us. Swasti nastarksho arishtanemihi. Garuda, whose speed is unobstructed and unimaginable, bless us. Swasti no Bruhaspatirdadatu. And the teacher of the demigods, Bruhaspati, give us blessings. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let there be peace. Let there be peace. Let there be peace. Now follows Shri Ganapati Atharva Shirsham. Om Namaste Ganapataye. O Lord Ganesh, I bow to you with devotion. Tvameva pratyaksham tattvamasi. Absolutely, you are the truth principle. Tvameva kevalam kartasi. Absolutely, you are the creator of everything. Tvameva kevalam dhartasi. Absolutely, you are the maintainer and protector of everything. Tvameva kevalam hartasi. Absolutely, you are the dissolver of everything. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. You are truly this entire Brahman. Tvam sakshat atmasi nityam. You are verily the permanent individual soul. Ritam vachmi, satyam vachmi. While saying the above, I am stating the perfect realized truth and existential truth, which are the integral properties of Parameshwara or God. Avatvam mam. Please protect me. Avavaktaram. Please protect the singer who is chanting the Ganesha Atharva Shirsham. Avashrotaram. Please protect the one who is listening. Avadataram. Please protect the one who gave me your knowledge. Avadhataram. Please protect the one who is accepting this knowledge. Avanucha namavashishyam. Please protect the teacher who has the knowledge of the universe, and please protect the disciple of such a teacher. Avapaschattat. Please protect me from behind. Avapurastat. Please protect me from the front. Avottaratat. Please protect me from the left. Avadakshinatat. Please protect me from the right. Avachordhvatat. Please protect me from the top. Avadharatat. Please protect me from below. Sarvato mam pahi pahi samantad. Please protect me from all sides. Protect me from everywhere. Tvam vangmayastvam chinmayah. O Lord Ganesh, you are what is expressed through all the words spoken, written, thought, or otherwise, and you are the consciousness. Tvamanandamayas tvam brahmamayah. You are the bliss and you are the Brahman. Tvam Satchitananda Advitiyosi. You are the triad existence, consciousness, and bliss, and not different from it. Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi. Verily, you are the Brahman. Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi. You are the informative knowledge and the Vijnan, which is the real knowledge. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvatto Jayate. O Lord Ganesh, the whole of this universe has originated from you. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvattastisthati. The whole of this universe continues due to you. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Layameshyati. The whole of this universe dissolves unto you. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Pratyeti. The whole of this universe comes back to you. Tvam Bhumirapo Nalo Nilo Navaha. You are the earth, you are the water, you are the fire or energy, you are the wind, and you are the space. Tvam Chatvari Vakpadani. And you are the four forms of speech. Tvam Gunatrayatitaha. O Lord Ganesh, you are beyond the three qualities of Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. Tvam Dehatrayatitaha. You are beyond the three types of bodies, Sthula, Sukshma, and Karanamaya. This means you are the Mahakarana. Tvam Kalatrayatitaha. You are beyond past, present, and future. Tvam Avasthatrayatitaha. You are beyond three states of existence, namely awakened, dreaming, and deep sleeps. Tvam Mooladharasthitosi Nityam. You are always residing or perceptible in the Mooladhara plexus of the human body. Tvam Shaktitrayatmakaha. You are the three types of energy, namely willpower, knowledge power, and power of action. Tvam yogino dhyayanti nityam. You are the one on whom yogins or students of spirituality always meditate upon. Tvam brahmastvam vishnustvam rudrastvam indrastvam agnistvam vayustvam suryastvam chandramastvam brahma bhurbhuvasvarom. You are Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. You are Indra. You are Agni. You are Surya. You are Vayu. You are the moon. You are the Brahman principle. You are the earth, space and heaven. You are Om, the primal sound. In brief, you are all in all. Ganadim Puramucharya Varnadin Tadanantaram. After uttering the half syllable G and A, after that Anuswara Parataraha, then Anuswar Ardhendulasitam. All these utterance beautified by the moon crescent Tarenaruddham. Such bringing together by utterance Etat tava manuswarupam. Such is your mantra form. Gakarah purvarupam, akaro madhyamarupam, anuswaraschantyarupam, binduruttara. Again, G is the beginning, A is the middle form, Anuswar is the last part, Bindu, which is the dot on the top of a moon crescent, pervades the entire occurrence or entire utterance. Nadasandhanam. Bringing together all these is called Nada. Sanhita Sandhi. Joining together or uttering together of these is called Sanhita. Saisha Ganesha Vidya. This is Ganesha Vidya or understanding or realization of Lord Ganesha. Ganaka Rishihi. The Rishi of this mantra is Ganaka. Nichrud Gayatri Chandaha. The tune to sing this mantra is Nichrud Gayatri. Ganapatir Devata. The deity of this mantra is Ganapati. Om Gang Ganapataye Namaha. This is the 8-lettered mantra of Lord Ganesh. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, sung as Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Ekadantaya Vidmahe. We know Lord Ganesh with one tusk. Vakratundaya Dhimahi. We meditate upon Lord Ganesh with twisted mouth or trunk. Tanno Dantih Prachodayat. May Lord Ganesh, who is characterized by a single tusk, energize us. This is called Ganesh Gayatri Mantram. Ekadantāya vidmahe Vakratundāya dhīmahi Tanno Dantih prachodayāt. Ekadantam chaturhastam Pashamankushadharinam. The yogi who always meditates on Lord Ganesha in this form. Ekadantam, the one with a single tusk. Chaturhastam, one with 4 arms. Pashamankushadharinam, one with weapon like a rope used for binding prey, and weapon like a blade. That means the one who holds Pasha and Ankusha. Radam Chavaradam, the one with tusk in the hand and with blessings of the other hand. Hastair Bibhranam, who has this in hands. Mushakadhvajam, whose symbol is mouse. Raktam, the one with the blood color. Lambodaram, the one with long belly. Shurpakarnakam, the one with ears which are like flat pan used for winnowing the grain. Raktavasasam, the one with blood red dress. Raktagandhanuliptangam, the one who is covered with red perfumed paste. Raktapushpai supujitam, the one who is decorated with red flowers. Bhaktanukampinam, the one who is extremely compassionate to the devotees. Devam, to the divine being or God. Jagatkaranamachyutam, that is the one who is the cause of the universe and who is unmovable and unchanging. Avirbhutam cha srishtyadau, the one who emerged at the beginning of the creation or nature or Prakriti. Prakrute Purushat Param, who is superior to Prakriti and Purush. Evam dhyayati yo nityam sayogi yoginam varaha. The yogi who always meditates on Lord Ganesh in this form is the superior yogi amongst all the yogis. The form again is as follows: with a single tusk, with 4 arms, holding weapons, Pasha and Ankush, bearing tusk and blessings in hands, one with the mouse as his flag or symbol, blood red in color, with elongated belly, with ears shaped like shurpa, wearing blood red clothes, body covered with blood red perfume, adorned and worshipped with red blood flowers, compassionate to the devotees, divine with light, one who is the cause of the universe and who is permanent, who came into existence before the creation of the nature and who is superior to even the Purusha. Namo Vratapataye. We bow to Lord Ganesh, who is foremost of gods prayed during austere practices. Namah Prathamapataye. The god who should be prayed first. Namaste Stulambodharaya Ekadantāya Vighnanashine Shivasutaya Shri Varadamurtaye Namaha. May our bowing down be to you with elongated belly and single tusk, and who destroys obstacles in good undertakings. We bow to the son of Lord Shiva, who showers blessings. Now comes the Phalashruti, that is, the fruits obtainable by devotional chanting of Shri Ganesha Atharvashirsha. Etadathārvashīrsham yodhite sabrahma bhūyāya kalpate. The one who studies this Atharvashirsham merges with Brahman. Sasarvatas sukhamedhate. Such a student stays happy everywhere. Sasarva vignair nabadhyate. Such a student does not get adversely affected by any obstacle. Sapancha mahapapat pramuchyate. He gets absolved from the 5 cardinal sins. Sayam dhiyano divasvrutam papam nashayati. The sins committed during the day are absolved by chanting the Atharvashirsham at dusk. Prataradhiyano ratrigutam papam nashayati. Sins committed during the night are destroyed by chanting at the dawn. Sayam pratah prayunjano apapo bhavati. The one who chants at dawn and dusk as well becomes devoid of sinful tendency. Sarvatra dhiyano apavigno bhavati. The one who chants everywhere becomes obstacle free. Dharmartha kama moksham cha vindati. This person also achieves all 4 important goals of human life, which are satisfaction in completion of duty, receipt of prosperity, enjoyment with material world, and salvation. Idam atharvashirsham ashishayana deyam yo yadi mohat dasyati sapapiyan bhavati. This Shri Ganesha Atharvashirsham should not be given to an undeserving student. If one becomes enslaved in giving out of temptation of material gain, such a person becomes a sinner. Sahasravartanat yayam kamamadhite tam tamanena sadhayet. 1,000 recitations of this will bring true whatever wish the chanter makes. Anena ganapadimabhishinchati savagmi bhavati. The one who performs Shri Ganesha Abhishekam prayer while reciting this Atharva Shirsham becomes an orator. Chaturthya manashtanjapati savidyavan bhavati ityatharvanavakyam. The one who recites it on the 4th day of the fortnight, that is half month, while fasting, becomes realized. Thus said Atharvana sage. Brahmadya charanam vidyad. He will also understand the interplay of Brahman and Maya, that is of the truth and illusion. Na bibheti kadachaneti. He will never be frightened of anything. Yo durvang kuryairyajati savai shravano pamo bhavati. The one who prays to Lord Ganesh offering durva grass sprouts becomes as wealthy as Kubera. Yo lajairyajati sayashovan bhavati samedhavan bhavati. The one who offers puffed rice during the prayer becomes successful and wise. Yo modaka sahasrena yajati savanchita phalamavapnoti. The one who offers 1,000 modakas or 1,000 modaka sweets during the prayer gets the desired result. Yas sajja samidhiryajati sa sarvam labhate sa sarvam labhate. The one who prays using samidha grass dipped in clarified butter gets everything. Such a devotee gets everything there is obtainable from all the prayers. Ashtau brahmanan samyagrajayitva suryavarchasvi bhavati. The one who brings together 8 Brahmins or students of spirituality and teaches them the Atharva Shirsham becomes as superior as the sun in brilliance. Suryagrahe mahanadyam pratima sannidhau vajapatva siddhamantro bhavati. Mahavignat pramuchyate mahadoshat pramuchyate mahapapat pramuchyate. The one who chants the Shri Ganesha Atharva Shirsham during an eclipse or near an important river or before an image or idol or statue or picture of Lord Ganesh becomes perfected in the mantra of Lord Ganesha. Such a one becomes free of all obstacles, blemishes and sins, however big they may be. Sa sarvavid bhavati, sa sarvavid bhavati. Who knows or understands what is described earlier becomes knowledgeable in everything. Ityupanishad. Thus ends the Ganapati Upanishad. Om Sahana Vavatu. May the teacher and disciple together be protected. Sahanau Bhunaktu. May both the teacher and disciple be protected from the external world, or also eat together. Sahaviryam karavavahai. May both the teacher and disciple do courageous acts together. Tejasvinavadhitamastu. May our knowledge should always stay bright and luminous. Ma vidvishavahai. We should never be jealous or haters of each other. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.